Want to know how to stay incognito and hide your number when calling someone? I'm here, the CyberGuy, and you can follow me at cyberguy.com for a lot of really good tips, as well as sign up for my free newsletter while you're there. You want to call someone but keep your number undercover, like a cat burglar in the night? What to do? Well, simply dial *67 followed by the number you want to call. Presto. You've just turned into a phantom caller. The person on the other end will see private number or unknown on their caller ID. It's a one-time vanishing act, perfect for those moments you want to leave no trace at all. For the more committed illusionist out there, you may choose to make your number permanently disappear on outgoing calls. Here's a magic spell for that one on an iPhone. Find your way to the Settings app and tap it. Then scroll down and tap Phone. You'll see Show My Caller ID. Tap that. Then toggle off Show My Caller ID. Poof! Your number is now invisible to all you can call. If you've got an Android, find your phone app and tap it. Then click the three-dot menu or more in the upper right corner. Then tap Settings. Tap Calls. Then click Additional Settings or More Settings. Find Caller ID and then select Hide Number. With a wave of your digital wand, your number is now hidden. Bear in mind that even with these stealthy moves up your sleeve, emergency services and toll-free numbers can still see your number. For all the latest tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter while you're there.